So we finished installing the new compressor from the leaky shaft seal on the Subaru Forrester, and from the video before, you've seen where I took apart the compressor to show you the inside vanes. If anybody has never seen the inside of one of these compressors, I did a partial disassembly, something quick and easy. We replaced the expansion valve, and as you can see, when you're finished with the air conditioning, you should always get, if you have humidity in your area and you're not in a high desert, you always get condensation on your lines. As you can see, the expansion valve's all nice and wet with condensation. You got your tattletale sign of condensation at your windows. They're nice and cold here. You get condensation on the windows there. If you're anywhere around here and you're having somebody do your air conditioning and you're a customer and it's being delivered to you and it doesn't look like that, ask the technician or the shop who did the air conditioning, why doesn't it look like this? 2012, 2013 Subaru Forrester, they all get like this. If they're not getting like this, somebody didn't do something right, or somebody passed something up and didn't diagnose something. That's all. See you guys later.